Hallelujah.
blood. I plead the blood over your mind. I plead the blood over your heart. I plead the blood over your cardiovascular system. I plead the blood over your spine. And I command your spine to function the way that God created it. I plead the blood over your ligaments and joints. I plead the blood over your red blood cells. I plead the blood over your white blood cells. I command your sugar. I command your blood sugar to regulate in the presence of God. And I speak to every spirit that will cause mental disease. And I decree and declare that God is taking your mind back. I break the spirit of depression. I break the spirit of anxiety. I rebuke every anxiety attack. And I decree and declare that the people of God are right now free. Somebody throw your head back and shout. There's a grace on my
Are you
life.
still?